Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you...
Hi queens, welcome to the birthday vloggy. We're in Savannah. There was no way we were gonna vlog yesterday. Absolutely insanity at the airport. Yeah, so anyway, we came to Savannah. We're going to see the Christian Serrano fashion exhibit and another art photography exhibit, and it's 80 degrees and I'm wearing this, but I don't want to take it off because I'm wearing a skin tight shirt underneath because it's hot. It's really hot. So anyway, yeah, tomorrow I'm 25. Oops. Tomorrow I'm 25, and that's something, isn't it? We stayed at the Riverfront Marriott, super cute. We just stayed in a 1-bedroom suite. We don't have a good view, it's just a view of the rooftop. Here's my bed. Nice little area. And yeah, here's all my stuff. I brought everything up because I didn't want anything to get broken into, just in case, because I had a lot of presents, necessarily of large monetary value, but of importance, you know? It is so hot in this room. Literally so hot. So yeah, happy vlogmas whatever day it is. Also, I'm so incredibly sorry all the vlogmases are behind. This is what I was trying to avoid, but I just did not have time to vlog in I did not have time to edit in Washington, so they'll be up soon and they're fun. So I just didn't want to rush them. Anyway, hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Hey, yo, what do you want to tell Joe Biden right now? Best day ever. You don't want to be in it?
I was gonna get a picture of Daddy and I.
Oh yeah.
Well, you don't.
We just finished at. We will. Hold on one second. We just finished at the SCAD museum. I got a water. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna go get food at my favorite spot in the world, I think. And yeah. Finally, the first time in forever I'm not wearing makeup and it feels so good. Hey queens! Hey queens! What's up? We're back. Oops, I can't say. Anything to say?
Going to Jacksonville. It's 2 to 3 days, 4 days before Christmas.
Yeah.
We're doing vlogmas.
Anything to say? Yes. I'm on day, this is day like 24 or 25.
There's no way. Yeah, there's. It's like the 21st of Christmas.
Aww.
In the building. Not a bit too water.
We're at Northern Cafe, aka my favorite place in the world because their coffee is the best. None is better. Hey Queens, we didn't vlog anything else, but we're off-roading right now.
I got easy.
Me too. I'm so bad. Anyway, we're at Swanee Lights in Florida. What is this park? Lake City?
I have no idea where we're at. I think it's Lake City. Clearly not.
No one knows. Clearly nowhere we know. There's Mahi Mahi Market.
Just did a U-turn there.
Yeah, just did a U-turn. Alright Queens, it's freezing. Walking around.
We're not used to this. We're not.
Yeah, I forgot my puffer. I can give you guys credit that it is cold, but I'm just not dressed properly, you know? Side of the red line.
That wasn't me, that was
yeah.
Bye.
Fun day.